welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a comparison review with the Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray and the Benefit the Porefessional Super Setter Makeup Setting Spray. Now both these sprays are quite similar because they claim to have up to 16 hours of wear. But I'm not going to be testing it out for 16 hours today because that's quite a long time. I'll be doing a 10-hour wear test today of both of these setting sprays, and I'll be seeing how well it controls my oils, does it make my makeup last longer, and which setting spray is worth your money. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Right, so let's start it off and talk about this Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. There's 118ml in this bottle and it retails for £28. Now this is probably one of the most popular makeup setting sprays out there. And if you have a conversation about makeup setting sprays, you're more than likely to come across this Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. And on the bottle, it does say here that it's got up to 16 hours of wear. There's no sliding, fading or settling into fine lines. It's breathable yet powerful, and it's got temperature control technology. And with the temperature control technology, that basically means that once you spray it on, it helps to lower the temperature of your makeup. So it helps to keep your skin cool so it doesn't look like a hot oily mess. If I just show you, remember to give it a good shake. I'm not going to apply it on my face yet, but I just want to show you the type of mist that it has. Give it a good shake. So it's got a really nice microfine type of mist. Okay, so onto the next spray, we've got the Benefit the Porefessional Super Setter Makeup Setting Spray. There's 120ml in this bottle and it retails for £27.50. This is also another really popular makeup setting spray, and it claims to keep your makeup looking fresh for up to 16 hours. So with this Benefit setting spray, it does say on the back of the bottle, it's a lightweight and microfine mist, and it helps to lock on makeup. It softens the look of pores and it feels weightless. Let's look at the type of mist that it has. Give it a good shake. That is a really super fine type of mist and very gentle. Right, so on the Benefit website, it does say that this spray includes pore blurring powders that softly scatter light. It's alcohol free, waterproof and smudge proof. It's fade proof and it has an instant mattifying effect. Yeah, those are the main key points of both these sprays. The Decay All Nighter has got alcohol and the Benefit setting spray does not have alcohol. Both claim to have up to 16 hours of wear, but with the All Nighter, it has got the temperature control technology, and the Benefit setting spray, it's got the pore blurring powders in this spray that's going to help to control oils and reduce shine. So it sounds like it's going to be good for oily skin. So yeah, you know what I'm going to say now. Let's put both these sprays into action. Ta-da! I've got my fan just to divide my face. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face. Mix face 2 to 4 times or until face is fully covered. I could really feel the spray on my skin. It was like quite a powerful type of mist. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I feel like my face is fully drenched and even my hair, it's a bit soaked. I think I sprayed a bit too much there. So let me just use this fan and help it dry and absorb into my face. So at the moment, I can really feel this spray like working into my skin. It's like, I wouldn't say it's tingling or sizzling, but you could feel it like working into my skin. But looking in the mirror, it's giving me like a natural type of finish. It hasn't mattified my skin, but it's more of a natural finish and it's made my makeup look even better. But yeah, it was quite a powerful spray. I mean, I even sprayed some onto my hair. Who needs hairspray when I've got this all nighter? Maybe I shouldn't have sprayed onto my hair, but you know, that was accidental. Let's use the other spray, which is the Benefit the Porefessional Super Setter and Makeup Setting Spray. Shake well and hold 8 inches from face. Mist evenly all over. How light is this spray? It got to a point I was like, is this even spraying on my skin? That's how lightweight it was. And this is very different compared to the All Nighter spray because this does not drench my skin. It's made my skin look so good. It's like I've got no pores and it's giving me like a mattifying type of finish. I mean, it's still sort of drying into my skin. I can see it slowly mattifying, but it's smoothed out my pores, smoothed out my skin. And the fact that this spray is alcohol free and it was so gentle when I sprayed it on my skin, it was like as if I didn't even spray anything on. That's how gentle and lightweight this spray is. So which setting spray do you think is looking better, the Decay or the Benefit setting spray? Let me know down in the comments below. Okay, so I'm back and it's been about 6 hours now since I applied both of these setting sprays, and what better way than to check in natural daylight. You can see my skin very clearly in natural daylight. So let me show you this side first, and it's the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. Right, so after 6 hours of wear, my makeup is still looking so good. It's controlled my oils really well, especially on my cheek area. There's hardly any oils on my nose. There's no caking or settling into fine lines. My makeup's still looking very flawless, and it's been budge proof. And on the other side, it's the Benefit the Porefessional Super Setter Makeup Setting Spray. And look how smooth my skin's looking. And it's controlled my oils really well. If you compare it to the All Nighter, I feel like the Benefit spray is actually looking less shiny. On the forehead, there's no shine. My makeup still looks very smooth, and it feels very fresh, like freshly applied. So I'm going to check in with you guys later on tonight for my final check-in. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you later tonight. Yes guys, it's that time of night again. I've got my cup of peppermint tea. Always drink this tea before I go to bed. And I've got my towel gown on. It's that time of night, so you know how it goes. All right then, so back to this wear test. It's been 10 hours now since I sprayed both of these sprays onto my skin. So I'm going to do a super close up now and show you how my skin's looking. Right, so zoomed in and very, very close up. Let's look at this side first, and it's the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. So you can see that my oils have slightly come through now, like on my cheek and nose area. My makeup's still looking really good, and it's controlled my oils pretty well. It's just slight shines come through. My chin's looking really good, no shine there. So when it says that it makes your makeup last all day and night, it really does that. That's how amazing this spray is. Always described as a really powerful, heavy duty type of spray. Yeah, so let's look at the other side, which is the Benefit the Porefessional Super Setter Makeup Setting Spray. My oils have come through a little bit on my cheek area and only a little bit on my nose. On my forehead, there's slight shine there, but my pores still look like it's been smoothed out. And my makeup still looks really, really good. My skin just looks very smooth from this spray. My makeup's lasted all day. It's not faded, it's not budged. Right, so after today's 10-hour wear test, the winner is, drum roll, the winner is this Benefit the Porefessional Super Setter Setting Spray. This is such an amazing setting spray. The way that it just smooths out all of my pores, and it's a very gentle and lightweight setting spray. And the fact that it's alcohol free as well, so it's great for sensitive skin. However, I've always loved this Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. We all know it makes your makeup last all day. However, because of the alcohol content in this setting spray, it can dry out your skin if you do use it every day. But today's winner is this Benefit the Porefessional Super Setter Makeup Setting Spray. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do post new videos every week. Well, I'm going to try to post new videos now every week. Hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time with a brand new video. Mwah! Bye guys.